Far too many people these days are still spending their precious free time pushing a heavy vacuum around the house, struggling with pet hair and daily dust, without even realizing there's a much smarter way. Upgrading to a robotic vacuum cleaner will upgrade your life in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best robot vacs go far beyond simple suction. They map, they mop, they empty themselves, and they work completely autonomously. We've done the research and have the top 5 options ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description below, because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about, and they help support our channel at no extra cost to you. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the ILIFE EV3S Pro. This is your ideal entry point into the world of automated cleaning, especially if you're a pet owner on a budget. The V3S Pro focuses on a tangle-free suction system specifically designed to pick up pet hair without getting clogged, while it also effectively tackles everyday dirt, crumbs, and debris on hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its slim, low-profile design allows it to glide under beds and sofas where dust bunnies love to hide. For convenience, you can set a daily cleaning schedule, and it will automatically return to its charging dock when its battery gets low, offering a solid 90 to 100 minutes of runtime. Operation is simple with either a remote control or a one-touch button on the unit itself. While it may lack the smart mapping of more advanced models, its infrared sensors provide reliable anti-bump and anti-fall protection. If you want an affordable, no-fuss workhorse for pet hair and hard floors, the ILIFE EV3S Pro is a fantastic place to start. Moving up to number 4, we have the Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum. This is where we start to see some serious smart home integration and powerful automation. Shark brings its legendary suction power to this bot, promising to pick up dirt and debris on all floor types. Its standout feature is the Matrix Clean navigation, where the vacuum cleans in a precise grid pattern, taking multiple passes over dirt to ensure no spots are missed. It uses 360-degree LiDAR vision to quickly and accurately map your home, allowing it to methodically clean while detecting and avoiding obstacles. But the real game-changer here is the self-emptying base. This bagless base holds a massive 30 days of dirt and debris, and it features a true HEPA filtration system to capture allergens. With up to 120 minutes of runtime and a recharge and resume feature, it can handle even larger homes. Perfect for pet owners and those who want powerful hands-free cleaning controlled via an app or your voice with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Landing in the coveted number 3 spot is the Eureka E20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This model represents incredible value by packing high-end features into a more accessible price point. First, it boasts a powerful 8,000 Pascal of suction, effectively capturing dust, debris, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. But the headline here is the bagless self-emptying station with a huge 45-day capacity, meaning you can literally forget about emptying the robot for over a month. It also doubles as a mop, and its smart auto-lifting feature raises the mop pad by 10 millimeters when it detects carpet, preventing it from getting wet. For navigation, it uses advanced LiDAR and Duo-Detect AI 3D obstacle avoidance to navigate precisely, even in low-light conditions. And to combat pet hair, it includes an anti-hair tangling brush that reduces hair wrap. The Eureka E20 Plus is a true all-rounder that offers a premium self-emptying and mopping experience without the premium price tag. Taking the number 2 position is the incredibly capable eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This is where cleaning becomes almost completely effortless. The X10 Pro Omni is an all-in-one cleaning powerhouse. Its station doesn't just empty the dustbin into a 2.5-liter bag. It also automatically washes the mop pads with clean water and then dries them with 45 degrees Celsius heated air. It even has a self-refilling 3-liter clean water tank to keep the mopping going. The robot itself features incredible AI obstacle avoidance, identifying over 100 different objects to navigate your home intelligently. Its MopMaster 2.0 technology applies pressure for a great scrub on hard floors and automatically lifts the mops a full 12 millimeters on carpets. With 8,000 pi of suction, an auto-detangling roller brush, and efficient iPath laser navigation, the eufy X10 Pro Omni delivers a comprehensive hands-free clean that will impress even the most demanding homeowners. And finally, our top pick, the #1 robot vacuum you can get right now, is the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni. This isn't just a vacuum, it's the pinnacle of automated home cleaning technology. The X9 Pro redefines power with its blast airflow system and a staggering 16,600 pascals of suction, offering 137% better carpet cleaning to remove deep-seated dust and pet hair. Its mopping system is equally revolutionary. Unlike others that clean their mops every 10 to 20 minutes, the Osmo roller self-washes instantly as it mops, ensuring a fresh mop at all times for spotless, streak-free floors without any dirty water mess. It tackles the universal problem of hair wraps with its Zero Tangle 3.0 system, using a V-shaped roller and anti-tangle side brushes. Its triple lift system intelligently adapts to any surface, lifting the mop on carpets, the side brush for large debris, and the main brush to avoid spills. The incredible Omni Station takes care of everything for up to 150 days, automatically refilling water, hot washing and drying the mop, and dispensing solution. You just refill the clean water and empty the dirty water tank every few months. For the ultimate, completely hands-free cleaning experience where the machine does all the thinking and all the work, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni is in a league of its own,